Introducing the all-new premium Luxe Home Standing Desk from OLG. Featuring a durable 6mm thick tempered glass worktop with round corners, plus resistance against stains, scratches and temperatures. Easily alternate between sitting and standing with an LED display for complete control, powered by a turbine motor that doesn't sacrifice power for quieter operation. The Luxe redefines safety in a desk as it intelligently avoids damaging drawers and chairs with its anti-collision sensor. For uneven surfaces, the Luxe desk includes glides on the bottom of the foot plates for ultimate stability. It also brings strength and durability, built with a sturdy steel frame capable of handling a 90 kg load. Keep your devices charged while you work with two convenient USB ports. Stay organized and productive with a large drawer. Keep your back safe while staying focused with the Luxe Home Desk, another premium quality product from the team at OLG.